This week's video is a real life scenario from my friend and officer, Nick. It involves consent stops. What happens if a person that's voluntarily talking with the police provides a name that the officer runs, but the officer finds nothing in the computer databases matching that name? Can the officer detain this person further? The answer and the details necessary may surprise you. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney for ASCOPS in Arizona. As always, this video is only a topic summary, not legal advice. So remember to follow your agency's policies and seek clarification on tricky factual circumstances. With that disclaimer out of the way, here's today's topic. Let's say you're an officer who's talking with individuals that voluntarily speak with you. You ask them for their names and birth dates, and when you run one of them on the computer in your car, you don't get a match. Is this enough for you to detain that person under suspicion of violating ARS Section 13-2907.01a, which says it's unlawful for a person to knowingly make to a law enforcement agency of either this state or a political subdivision of this state a false, fraudulent, or unfounded report or statement, or to knowingly misrepresent a fact for the purpose of interfering with the orderly operation of a law enforcement agency, or misleading a peace officer. This criminal statute establishes that a violation of this section is a Class 1 misdemeanor. So if the person actually did mislead the officer about their name, even if that was a voluntary contact, it could break this law. But here's the wrinkle that officers might not always consider. In order for someone to be found in the computer database, they would need to have an ID or driver's license or other government document issued to them. So before you have PC for the violation of 2907, you'd first need to ask them if they have ID issued to them. If they say that they do, and then when you run them, nothing shows up, you may have sufficient information to detain that person to investigate further, and to possibly cite or arrest for a violation of that statute that prohibits misleading a peace officer. Thanks, Nick, for the question. And to the rest of my audience, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the button below to subscribe for more law enforcement lessons. And if you have questions or comments, or other scenarios that you think would make good video topics, please leave them in the comment section below this video. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.